Now, welcome to Multi-Net Design. This is chapter 7 of the project we are creating, which is Duplex. So in this project we want to create in this lesson we are creating fascia all around this roof. So let's go to your plan level, or you go to where you can see clearly maybe your roof. Okay, so you follow the roof pattern as being drawn. So what you do next is to go to architecture, select components and say model in place. This one will allow you to model your whole type, not a predefined one. So now you choose from anything you want to do. Maybe it's a roof. This is what you want to do, is an element of roofing system. So you click on roofs. So there you click roof fascia. Just type fascia, or that concrete fascia anyhow. So then you now start sketching your line. As this, you need to choose the instrument you want to use, and I'm using sweep to create whatever I want to create. So click on sweep and click on parts. After you've done that, select that. I always do pick line because it's more faster. So I just decide to pick line. Click start from here, click from here, from here, from here. Select all sides, and no one should intersect with one another until you are done with your sketch code. So that is it. So if you click here and say finished, everything is going to turn to normal. Then what we need to do is to develop a profile for that elevation. So I'm going to use south elevation shout. From the elevation shout, I'm going to draw this. Start is already taking me to small search mode. You don't need to bother much about that. So like this, you take inside. Okay, I've still done this. You select and create some certain pattern that you can generate around the new system. So we have this now, and the one which is not needed, delete them and click finish. So when you click finish, you're definitely going to see this thing cover the whole roof. That is it. So that is how you create fascia concrete, roof fascia concrete, whatsoever, any kind of fascia you want to do. This is how you work on it and develop what you want to do accordingly. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.